Guys, as you have probably already seen today, Bitcoin is still pumping towards our price target of $50,000 to $51,000 that we set as soon as we break out of our symmetrical triangle. This was also the reason I scaled up my trades. Right now, we are in almost or exactly in around $10 million worth of long positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum, some also in the futures. My biggest position for sure is the $6 million Bitcoin future trade with an estimated profit of $1.14 million at this moment. And I mean, we took already out of this trade around $360,000. So this trade alone is about to hit the $1.5 million profit mark. I mean, with the other trades combined with my other Ethereum longs, we are at an actual $1.5 million profit at the moment. So this is not looking too bad. And also, live while I'm talking, Bitcoin is bouncing, but I will give you an update on those trades at the end of this video for sure as well. But let's just jump right into the charts. If we zoom out a little bit on the 4 hourlies, we can already see, I mean, we predicted this breakout. As you can see, our price breakout target of $50,000, $51,000 is almost reached. I mean, the price target of our falling wedge that I mentioned is also reached for sure. I mean, the price target was the old high or the beginning of the falling wedge. We reached this easily at $48,000 already. And yeah. What is there left? Do the Bitcoin bulls really have power left is what I wanted to say. And we can already see that the bulls formed a symmetrical triangle earlier today, and it already broke out to the upside, and also just got, and this just happened live in our video, just got a very, very beautiful bounce. So if we close this 1 hourly candle exactly like this in around 26 minutes, I think the chances are very high that the next 1 or 2 hourly candles, or the next, in around the next 4 hourly candles, I think we can expect a retest of this possible rising wedge. And this rising wedge is really a decider for me if we should expect a pump up to $50,000, $51,000, or if the bulls are going to lose their power, their steam here, and first have to maybe correct down on the daily chart back down to our symmetrical triangle, because as we can see, we haven't gotten a proper retest yet, especially on the bigger time frames. I mean, on the 4 hourly, on the daily chart, this symmetrical triangle hasn't gotten a retest yet. As we can see, the 4 hourly also hasn't retested this symmetrical triangle resistance that now should have turned into support. So I mean, in the worst case, I really expect a breakout out of this rising wedge to the downside, a drop down to around $47,000, $46,000. So this is really a drop that I'm still having in my calculations. So if I'm scaling up my trades, if I'm opening new trades, I will definitely look out for this support line, and I will always try to put my liquidation price or stop loss at least $45,000. So really below this symmetrical triangle now, just for the case that we see the 4 hourly touching it, a small wick maybe on the 4 hourlies, and still a bounce because we're closing the 4 hourly above this support. You know, I don't want to get wiped out because I have a stop loss or liquidation price too close to our support. But like I said, I won't scale up my positions for now. I already scaled them up pre the breakout. I mean, all those things I mentioned in my last videos. So there's nothing really, or that nothing really happened that you guys weren't informed about. But if we take a closer look again at the smaller time frames, I mean, there's still a very good chance of us also just now continuing this uptrend, demolishing this resistance line. And this resistance line, I mean, it's on the 1 hourly candles only, so it shouldn't be a problem for the daily chart in any way that we have this small falling wedge, rising wedge here. I'm just pretty sure that the bears could use this rising wedge to maybe achieve a retest, but I'm pretty sure the bulls are too strong and would kill the bears at this support the latest. And yeah, I can already tell you as well, I will take some profits in the case that we break out of this falling wedge on the 1 hourly again. If we get a 1 hourly candle close below this falling wedge, I will take some profits out of my longs, not too much, maybe between 1/10 maybe and 1/10 1/7 maybe of my complete positions. I will maybe close, but not more, just a little bit of profit taking, because if we drop down and bounce here, I would just scale those positions right back up again. It's just about always taking some secure profits out of our trades, because if you don't do that, you could even see a rally up to $80,000. If you don't take profit, we could fall down to $40,000 again, and then you never took profits, and that's almost as annoying, or it's almost even more annoying if you are in a lot of profits, don't take any, and then get stopped out, or trade or close the trade with a zero in a kind of way. It's almost sometimes more annoying than losing money, because you are actually losing all the profits that you could have already been taken. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If you have very nice and very profitable trades open, I would always keep in mind to take at least some profits. 1/5, 1/10 of the position size is always enough. And if we should see a correction, then you can always scale up your positions as soon as you see a reversal back up to your old size again, and you will still make the same profits when Bitcoin continues to go up. But in addition, you already took some profits in crypto as well, so they will improve in gains as well if Bitcoin pumps, right? So that's always very nice. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, don't forget to subscribe and to activate the bell. Leave a comment down below. Today only one video, tomorrow there will be more videos again. I had an 8-hour drive, so I maybe look also a little bit tired. I drove for 8 hours, but the next couple of days I will be at this setup, and then we will start moving again. So yeah, other than that, I will just see you guys in tomorrow's video. Have a very good evening. I'm almost falling asleep already, so see you. Bye bye.